Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to hide videos in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to hide videos in Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to hide videos one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone master application, scroll down here, tap here wallet password setting, your privacy password setting, and enter your password. After enter password, friends, if you tap here videos, so you can hide videos in your Tecno mobile. And friends, without privacy password, you want to hide your camera videos, so you can hide video. First of all friends, I will make two video front of you, and I will hide this two video in my Tecno mobile. I will select video first, second video I will select, I will on video, and we will save video. After save video, friends, without privacy password, open your phone Google file. After on Google file friends, select your video. Okay, after select video, right side click here three dot, move to save folder, tap here, select your password, type pattern and pin. Friends, I will select pattern, and I will draw pattern for video hide setting and use 5 dots pattern, because guys if you use 4 dots pattern, friends, you can see cannot at least 5 dots. Try again, same pattern, confirm, got it, video will hide. Friends, you can check, there is no any video in your Tecno mobile. Friends, you can see 0B, video is not here. Save folder, tap here, enter your pattern, so you can check, hide videos. 3 dot click here, video will unhide. And friends, if you tap here delete permanently, so friends your video will delete permanently and you cannot restore this video after delete. So friends, you can see I have one video in my save folder, and again you want to hide videos, so click here videos, select your video, 3 dot, move to save folder, draw pattern, video will hide again. Friends, if you on your Google file app information setting, and by mistake if you clear data Google file, so friends you can see delete app data. After delete, your save folder will delete, your favorite folder will delete, and your photo video will delete automatic. Friends, you can check, if you turn on your Google file again, if you tap here video, save folder, so friends you can see save folder password delete. Again you want to hide videos, you will have to make your save folder pin and pattern select, then you can start your save folder and you can hide videos. And once your save folder video and photo will delete, and you cannot restore your photo video. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. So friends, when you will clear cache your Google file data, remove your photo video, then clear data. Bye.